Hey everybody, got this old Tecumseh trying to chase down an oil leak. Looks like there is a lot of debris, evidence of leakage right there. It's not really wet necessarily, but as you start kind of coming down right in here, it starts getting more and more wet. Definitely super wet right down in here. Looking at the breather, hard to see. A lot of not really super wet, but right up or in there. If you can kind of get, trying to give you like a bird's eye view of what's happening. I can't pinpoint this where exactly it might be coming from. Just looking for a little help on what might be a common place this leaks out from. Can't really see the bottom of that breather very well. Yeah, I can't really see it very well. It looks like it might be it. I don't know. At the bottom of that breather, right there. Kind of that bottom screw on the breather. See that? Maybe from that area. I'm not sure. No, there's some kind of like oil thing or some gaskets up underneath the flywheel, but it doesn't. I mean, there is some evidence of all this dirt, and so that's some oil leakage, but man, how's it getting down here so wet? But it's not really that wet up top here, so I'm thinking that's not where it's originating from necessarily. Kind of hard to tell. I really don't want to pull this flywheel off, but I might.